Good morning, children. Children, today I will tell you the story which I had told you earlier. So I will repeat the story so that it would be easier for you to remember. Okay, children? Yes. Now I will tell you the story of Mittu and the yellow mango. Can you see this parrot? His name is Mittu, and he liked the yellow mango. So I will tell you the story. Okay, children? Mittu was a parrot. Mittu was a parrot. A green parrot with a red beak. A green parrot with a red beak. Can you see the beak of this parrot? See, this is the red beak. Yes, children? One day, Mittu was flying. One day, Mittu was flying. He loved to fly. He looked down. He saw a big yellow mango. He saw a big yellow mango on a tree. He saw a big yellow mango. Can you see this mango, children? It's a big tempting yellow mango. So Mittu wanted that mango. मिट्टू ने ये मैंगो ट्री पे देखा और उसको वो मैंगो खाना था. He wanted to eat that mango. I want to eat that yellow mango, he said. He flew down to the tree. And then he flew down to the tree and sat on the branch. यहाँ पे बैठ के मिट्टू को मैंगो खाना था. He wanted to eat the mango. Then what happened? Come, go away. Go away from here. This is my tree, said a voice. Mittu looked up. He saw a big black crow. Can you see the big black crow here? Yeah. He told Mittu to go from there. He said, go from here. This is my tree. The crow shouted. He had a very loud voice. The crow had a very loud voice. जोर से बोला वो. Go away from here. Mittu was afraid of the crow and he flew away immediately. Mittu उससे घबरा गया. उसे डर लगा और वो उड़ गया. Then Mittu saw a red balloon. It was under a tree. Mittu saw a red balloon. Can you see the red balloon over here? Yes. He got an idea. उसे एक idea आया. He picked up the red balloon. He was careful not to burst it. Burst it मतलब उसे फोड़ना नहीं था वो balloon. So he was very careful. Okay, children. He flew to the mango tree. Then he again flew to that mango tree. The crow was sitting on the tree. The crow was sitting here. And Mittu was behind the tree. He hid himself behind the tree. वो पीछे छुप गया था. He pecked the balloon with his red beak. उसने ये जो बलून था वो अपनी रेड बीक जो है ना ये उससे पॉप करके फोड़ दिया. पॉप ऐसा जोर से आवाज आया. The balloon burst. Burst मतलब बलून फूट गया. It made a loud noise. Caw, 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 said the crow. And he fell off the tree. और इसको वो ये क्रो जो था वो पॉप आवाज से जोर से डर गया और वो नीचे गिर गया. He fell off the tree. Caw, caw, a big gun is after me, said the crow. वो इतना डर गया, उसे लगा कि मेरे पीछे एक बिग गन आया और मुझे बर्स्ट करके मुझे डरा दिया. Now what happened? He flew away. He never came back to the tree. Then he flew away. The crow flew away. He got afraid. वो बहुत डर गया. He got scared. और वो उड़ गया. फिर वो कभी वापस नहीं आया. He never came back. So Mittu came to the tree. Then Mittu again came to the tree and he ate the big yellow mango. फिर उसने ये मैंगो खा लिया. Yummy. Yummy. What a nice mango. What a sweet mango, he said. And he was very happy. So, this way the moral of the story is Mittu was a very clever parrot. Okay, children? Yes. So now, children, when the school will start, I will ask you the questions. Okay? And then we will again enjoy the story. Okay, children? Take care of yourself. Bye.